So, Tails,
Yeah, Sonic?
how are we gonna fix the ceiling?
Oh, you don't need to do that. I'll fix it in the flash. I need to grab some tools, but first I have to cover it.
Hey, Tails!
Yeah, Sonic?
You look like you're going into a snooze cruise.
Me? Don't worry about me. I'll sleep when I'm done.
As of tonight, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
Shoot, looks like a thunderstorm's on the way. Hey, Tails, is something wrong?
Oh, it's nothing.
Okay then, if you say so. Wow, the storm clouds sure made it here pretty fast. Good night, little buddy.
Good night, big brother. Please be just rain. Please be just rain. Please be just rain. Please be just rain. Ah!
Whoa! Ugh! Huh! Can't a hedgehog sleep without all this racket going on?
Make it stop! Make it stop!
Tails, calm down. What's wrong? You still afraid of a little thunder and lightning?
I'm so scared, Sonic.
Of course. Come on in. It's okay, Tails. You're safe with me.
Please, Sonic, make it stop.
If I could, Tails, then believe me, I would. We're just gonna have to wait till the storm drifts.
I guess I can wait for it to stop.
There you go, big guy. Huh? Why were you on my head?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I was just...
It's okay. At least the storm's cleared out.
I was just so scared. The storm wouldn't let up till about an hour ago. I'm sorry if it made you feel awkward.
Nah, that's no big deal. I was about to ask if you're okay now.
Yeah, I'm better now. Thanks for being there for me.
Anytime, bud. Yo, Tails!
Yeah?
Just remember, anytime you're scared, always know that I'm here for you.
Thanks, Sonic. Thanks for being a great friend.
Sweet! Oh, come on! Why did I put it so high?
Hey, Tails! Huh?
Yeah. Huh?
You can fly, Tails?
Huh? Huh?
Tails?
Oh.
Did you forget you have two tails that make you fly?
No, I knew that. I was, just testing you.
Right.
Thanks, Sonic. Huh? The cookie! It's gone!
Hey, Tails. Ta-da!
Hey! Sonic, I saw the cookie first! Give it back!
Sorry, Tails. You're not getting the last cookie. Besides, you forgot you can fly.
Ugh, Sonic!
Well,
Huh?
thanks for the snack, Tails.
Sonic?
You gotta be kidding.
Please, Sonic. It's mint chocolate chip, and you know mint is my favorite. Please, bro.
Okay, bro. You did see it first. Here. Aren't you gonna take it? Huh?
You can take the other half.
Thanks, Tails.
And you're right, Sonic. I did forget to fly.
Oh boy. Tails, what am I gonna do with you?